Today, I'm going to explain a Bollywood movie really badly.
And I'm gonna act it out as she's explaining it. Your job as our viewer is to guess the movie and quickly put in the comments with your time code to know you are the best.
Sports chairman Peter Briganza expresses his desire for making street fighting a legal sport.
Hey, I think you know what school? Boys fighting other boys for money. Sir, you mean like WWE? Yes, but more violent.
Nice.
Hey, that's Peter Briganza?
Yes.
I am Peter
exactly.
Briganza, well-known businessman, and I know how to make money.
He,
With fighting.
he decides to open a league called Right to Fight.
Wow. And you know what? Men should have the right to beat each other up in a ring. And that's why I will call it the right to fight.
And the 2 is a 2.
Because it's two men fighting. So we'll have it as 2.
Meanwhile, imprisoned Garson Gary Fernandez,
Whoa.
a recovering alcoholic
Oh.
and a former MMA expert,
Whoa. So I'm fit, but I'm sick. I'm fit. No, wait. Am I like exercising? How do they show me I'm an MMA
So
fighter?
he's
Because I'm boxing the
he
bars.
was an ex-MMA fighter. So
Correct.
I assume that he's not in like full form, right? That's
Oh,
what it should be.
Got it. So he's like boxing against the walls because he's an alcoholic. That's how I would imagine the film.
Is that what alcoholics do?
Yeah, because they're not getting booze, no? So they're angry. So
Oh,
so
like
he's
that.
punching the wall. Yeah.
Correct. He's released from jail term.
Oh, okay. Already? Okay, thanks, I guess. Cha, daru pi. Everyone is just so bored. You're like, then get out.
This story has to start somewhere.
So I get out.
You're
Yeah,
leaving, huh?
yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
And your
I
younger
go to a
son,
bar?
Monty,
Oh, wow.
has
I have
come
a
to
son?
pick you up. Yes.
Wow. Hey, Monty. I know I've not been a good dad. Account of me in jail and all. Want to get a beer?
Monty is like, please, dad, come on.
What does Monty do anyway?
So Monty
How old is
basically-
Monty? How old is my son?
So he is apna usual young hottie hero age.
Oh, he's in his 20s.
Yes.
Oh. Hey, Monty, I have not been around. It seems for a while.
The last I remember.
So I saw you. Oh, shit. I will make it up to you. Want to get a beer?
Monty gets tensed when his father asks about his elder son David.
Wait, what? Who's elder son?
He has 2 sons. One
Who,
is
Monty?
Gary and one is Monty. No, Gary is his name. One
So-
is Monty and one is David.
So I have 2 sons. Fuck, I've had too much alcohol.
And then basically he just like, don't ask me about David, and he takes him home.
Hey, Papa, I've come to pick you up, no? Like, at least, fucker, you're not there only for the beginning. And the first thing you're like, well, David. No David for you. Don't ask me about David. We don't talk about David. Chalo, Papa.
At home,
Okay.
Gary acts protective of all the belongings of his wife Maria, who died many years ago.
So I enter and go like, ये सब मरिया का सामान है, मैं ऐसा ले रहा है और अपने कमरे में रखेगा. पता नहीं कि what a weird son you are keeping your mother's stuff around. It should all be in my room. I need some private time with your mother's stuff.
So now we just like fuck like Gary and fuck Monty. Now we are going to David.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But what is David doing?
David is now a physics teacher
Oh.
and he has a daughter with a kidney ailment.
Okay, so he's physics. He's doing E is equal to MC square on the board.
We have stereotypes of physics teachers also. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा है
Movie है
हमने.
ना, E is equal to MC square equal to nuclear bomb ऐसा.
And now you have to feel sad,
Sad.
because your daughter is.
Yeah. Now suddenly I'm feeling. Oh, but as I wrote it, I'm like, what? I can understand the laws of the universe, but I can't save my daughter.
Unable to arrange money from the bank and other sources.
Wait, so I'm like, hey man, I'm physics teacher. Bank is like, no. I'm like, but I didn't even say anything. No bro, नहीं मिलेगा पैसा तुझे. But my physics teacher है. Exactly. No money
No
for,
money
for
for
you.
you.
David is like, fuck this. I
So
need
he
money.
now earns money through street fights.
Wait, what now?
Yes.
So
David is physics teacher in the streets and street fighter in the sheets. I don't know what is
Whoa,
going
wow.
on with David.
So
Something
David comes
very
out.
intense.
David comes out and there's like a beggar and he slaps him and the beggar goes flying And David is like,
Why is he
wait,
beating up a banker?
because he's frustrated. वो बैंक से बाहर निकला. So David is like, wait, what? I can use physics to fucking punch the shit out of people. And then he goes to the local street fighting chapter, I assume. Hello, street fighting? Yes.
Hello, is this the best street fighting champion? Meanwhile,
David is now. How many street fights have I had now?
like they've shown
join
like
the scene.
montage only.
Oh,
of
so now
street
like gone
fighting.
and does like fucking. So I'm like, you know what?
This is easier way to earn money.
Easier way than physics.
Like, break a few teeth and a few bones, but it's
Basically,
fine.
but he is using physics. He's using force and momentum. Maybe
Okay.
his name should be. Now he writes E is equal to MC square here
Oh my god.
because he is the punch. Actually, he should have it written here.
But this is a problem for his wife apparently because this stresses
Wait.
out his wife Jenny, David's wife.
Oh, David has a wife, Jenny.
अरे he has a daughter तो
Jenny,
Indian
हाँ,
movie
correct.
में तो wife भी होगी ना,
Correct. Yeah.
ऐसे
So
थोड़ी.
daughter, Papa, no kidney. Don't worry, kid. Money. But Jenny's like, what money?
Where are you getting this money and why are you fighting in the streets?
Correct. And so what is Jenny's problem?
She is worried about him
Because he's punching people.
because he's also getting punched, right?
Correct. So he's like few punches on the face, but he's like, here's money that will save her daughter. And she responds by saying, but your face is hurt. And he's like, yes, I'm worried about you. Yes. Then?
You're not prepared for the next line.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Gary, you remember, who had taken all his wife's stuff and gone into his room.
His dad. Yeah.
He misses his wife so much that he starts hallucinating about her.
Whoa. I feel I was on point with my starting description. So I go in my room and I'm like, Jenny. Maria.
Maria. Jenny is
Sorry,
weird.
got
It's
it,
weird.
Yeah. I'm like, Maria. And then she's there. Hey, Maria, what's up? It's been a while.
He and Monty go to talk to David. And remember how Monty was like a little
Yeah.
weird in the beginning? Ki
Yeah.
Why are you talking about David? Because
Ah.
David is estranged now.
Oh, but they're estranged. Why?
So, वो explain नहीं किया.
Okay, but they are estranged.
Yeah.
Hey, we are estranged. And David is like, yeah, so we can't talk now. I will ignore you two.
Yeah. So, Monty and Dad go there to talk to...
Monty is like, bro, I need to get rid of this psycho, hallucinating dad. And like, hey, David. David is like, hey, bro, मेरा problem नहीं है. पहले तू we are estranged. To be
निकाल! And then, plot twist but not really.
Okay.
Monty is then revealed to be Gary's illegitimate child.
Sorry, what now? Who's in?
Monty is the guy who he was like, you are okay, but where is David?
Correct.
Makes sense, no? Now.
But Monty is illegitimate child.
Yeah.
But we knew his son.
Yeah, he's son.
But illegitimate
But he's
child.
illegitimate.
But who's the mother? Oh. Who reveals that he is illegitimate?
You know what? I have no idea.
Good,
Because
fair
अब
enough.
मेरे को याद भी
Hey,
नहीं है.
actually, you know what I was thinking when I was like super drunk? I may have boinged someone else. तू उसका बच्चा है, तू मरिया का बच्चा नहीं है.
So he's just casually walking out of
Yeah.
David's house after they got kicked out. He's like, by the way, Monty.
तू बेटा है, पर that's why I took Maria's stuff away from you. You shouldn't build such association.
Now there's a flashback. ठीक है?
Oh.
Where Maria, nevertheless, she loved Monty
Hmm.
as she did David.
Correct.
Correct, because she was the quintessential nice mother.
So like, hey, I'll be both your moms. तू भी खाना ले, तू भी खाना ले.
Correct.
तुमको भी प्यार करेगा, तुमको भी प्यार
मेरे
करेगा.
Monty David आएंगे.
हाँ, intense.
The two brothers had a close, loving relationship until David was 18 and Monty was 15.
Oh, so it's all happy family, it's like the teenage years. So ऐसा सब लोग कर रहे हैं, they're going on picnics. And of course, Gary is not here because he's fucking drunk.
No, he was also there.
Oh, he's also there?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
he's
This
not
was
drunk yet.
before, yeah.
Oh, so he's not turned into a drunk yet. So they're going on like picnics.
Yes.
On cycles. I imagine.
Oh, that's such a nice,
You mean?
nice family you have made over there.
Yeah. And then what happened?
And then, on the night of Monty's 15th birthday,
Mm-hmm.
Gary comes home drunk.
Oh, now I'm drunk. Okay then. Now I found booze. I drank it. This is so much better than family. Fuck family.
Basically, what happens is,
Mm-hmm.
he apologizes to Maria for destroying the family.
But they were already.
But
Maria, I'm
we
sorry.
clearly missed something here, but it's
I've
fine.
destroyed the family. Maria's like, what you talking about?
Maria's It's like I have no idea what
We
is-
just had a family montage. We just were cycling and having a great time. What did you destroy?
He mentions his lover Sarah's name.
In my drunkenness.
Yes.
Sarah. And then I pass out.
And then an enraged Maria confronts him about her. She's like,
Ut, Sale. Then?
in a drunken state, Gary hits Maria, who is injured and dies.
What? So basically he's drunk and she's like, hey, Sarah ko rahe, naude. He's like, hurt. And then she's dead. In that one moment, he
You
dead.
know, if we made
She
this
dead.
movie, it would be over in like 15 minutes for
She
sure.
dead. He just like slapped her and she just goes flying. I'm guessing she hit her
goes
head.
flying.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she hits her head.
Yeah.
Like 100%. There
She
is
hits
no
her
other
head
way.
and then she's dead.
When Monty comes close to Maria, David angrily pushes him away,
Okay.
holding his father and half-brother equally responsible for his mother's death.
But what did Monty do?
I assume that Monty's mother is Sarah.
So basically he's like, ये सारा तेरा गलती है.
Oh my god. And this is how the rift between Gary, Monty and David began.
Oh.
David later loses his job in the school when the principal Shobit Desai learns about David's involvement in street fights.
Oh, so Shobit is like, hey, David is just like all punched up, easy go to MC square. And Shobit is like, so, I feel you might not be the best physics teacher. And he's like, but why? My physics is awesome. And he's like, yeah, but you punch people. And he's like,
How did you know?
yeah. And Shobit is like, A, you look like you were punched. B, I saw the flyer outside of street fighting. It has
This
your,
really nicely photoshopped
Show
image
fine.
of
and it has your
David.
photo in it. You are like the best street fighter.
Because now Monty, who wants to be a fighter, is introduced to Suleiman Pasha, a fighting agent.
Okay. So Suleiman Pasha. Hi, I'm Suleiman Pasha. I'm a fighting agent. If you want to fight, you come to me. Monty is like, hi, my name is Monty. Tu to fighter banna hai? Bola, हाँ. Okay, come, I'll teach. Actually, I don't
जा
teach.
जा और कोई है क्या
I only take-
आजा आजा so Suleiman fixes a match with Mustafa in which Monty is defeated,
By Mustafa.
right?
Okay.
And this enrages Gary.
That's punched out. Monty.
but-
yeah, Monty is getting like shit on.
Monty
Oh,
is like
Monty is a
the
pitra hai.
biggest bichara
By
in
the
this
way,
movie.
why Monty decide to street fight? No, this is
I think it's just his whole ego
so in
thing
this
ना,
town,
वो कितना
in this
कचरा हो
town,
गया
I
उस
feel
time को.
there's like a street. What is this street fighting parallel dimension where it's just like it happens. You can go outside their shops. You know, certified punching agent. ऐसा.
Then Monty has a rematch with Mustafa.
Okay.
Here Monty defeats him
Okay.
and is declared a selected fighter for Right to Fight by Peter Braganza.
So I am Monty comes in like, hey, तू last time मेरे को punch किया था. हाँ, मैं भी punch करके जीतेगा. Punch, win. Hi, I'm Peter Braganza. And you, Monty. And Monty's like, what? Something nice is happening. We finally are going to be in Right to Fight. And
The fight is recorded and uploaded to YouTube,
whoa.
and
okay.
soon Monty becomes an internet sensation.
Monty's like, finally things are working out for me.
Monty's like, this is not what I signed up for. Monty undergoes training to become the R2F champion. So this is like the whole Rambo sequence.
Okay, fine.
Yep.
He's just fucking training.
Yes.
Okay, huh.
And
Next.
meanwhile, David too decides to be a full-time fighter. And Jenny encourages him to do so. Hey, Jenny को क्या हो गया?
अरे तो बेटा David, hey Jenny, हाँ, I lost my job. अब तो fighting करना पड़ेगा David.
मैं तो कुछ नहीं करने
हाँ.
वाली. And he also gets trained by Suleiman only.
Wait, what now?
Suleiman trains David.
Okay, now.
Because there is only one fighting agent.
Correct. So it goes like, अरे मुझे तो Suleiman, hey David, आजा, no stress. We'll train. Cool.
R2F soon becomes a sensation.
Go
And
on.
fighters from all over the world show their interest in the league.
Wow, this sounding very much like Street Fighter now.
Yep.
like Street Fighter India version. So okay, so now दुनिया भर से planes are landing and everyone like the Russian,
And this
the
is still
American.
illegal, by the way.
Oh okay, अभी अच्छा oh. okay.
Because like Peter Briganza fought for it in the beginning. उसका कोई
okay fine, but nobody cares.
court का
Police
decision
comes,
नहीं है.
Peter Briganza is like I have money. Police is like okay.
Sweet. As long as nobody dies. Eventually, surprise, surprise, David and Monty make it to the finals.
Whoa! Brother versus, you know what, man? I saw this coming like for a minute.
Yeah, obviously.
So now Monty and David are fighting. Why Monty is fighting, I still don't know.
Monty is just like he wants to feel better about himself. So far, he's just been shat on the entire
So
time.
Monty and David like brother versus brother, like.
He's like, I got to do something for myself.
And Peter Briganza is like, I love it. I love this. I love these
Hey,
brothers.
camera.
We are making so much money. So much money. This is genius. I am genius. Why do you think I picked these brothers? ऐसा board meeting चल रहा है. And people are just like, you know what? Two brothers are fighting. Here, take some money.
Yeah, it's that only.
So now two brothers are fighting. They've entered the ring and they're like, you know, there was a way we could work through our emotions by talking about the fact that we were both fucked over by a non-committed father and the fact that we never got any love. But instead we're gonna punch each other in the faces.
Also, we watched our mother get murdered.
Yeah, in front of us by an alcoholic father. But instead of talking about it, we are gonna punch. Because that's how guys deal.
Also, that's how Bollywood deals with everything.
Yeah, I feel also like this is a very guy way of dealing. No, we will not talk about emotions. We will join an international illegal fighting ring and punch each other in the face instead rather than talk about it. And they go like, yeah.
Because that's what
Guys do.
And then Gary feels guilty.
Gary's like, I think I might be responsible for this.
And then he leaves the arena as he thinks that he is responsible for the conflict between them.
Gary's like, oh shit, this has gotten really bad. My sons might murder each other. I'm gonna go.
I don't want no part of this. The match begins.
Correct.
Both David and Monty put up a strong fight. However, David eventually ends up breaking Monty's shoulder.
My shoulder.
He immediately shows concern for his younger brother.
Oh, because he broke it. Wow. Okay, great. Now finally David is like, oh shit, I have actually broken my brother's shoulder. I will show concern.
Pasha asks him to keep fighting and not care about Monty's arm.
Correct. And Monty is just like wailing with one arm, trying to like...
Karate Kid types.
Oh
like
yeah, just
vibes.
like showing courage in the face of adversity. And David is like, I feel this is wrong. Pasha's like, no bro, you're doing a great job.
This is the way to
Great
victory.
job. Just punch him. Keep punching him.
Gary rushes to David and apologizes for his mistakes. This is not the time, Gary.
Gary comes in, he's like, "Arey, fuck. Hey, David, मैं गलती किया, David. I shouldn't have fucked Sarah and kill your mom accidentally. But please don't.
But see, because I fucked Sarah, you have a brother.
Now don't kill your brother." Then?
Then he asks David to not take out his anger towards him on Monty and reminds him that Monty is his brother.
In case you forgot, Monty is still your brother. You should not be trying to kill him. And I know we didn't process our grief properly, but I feel you're misdirecting your anger.
David, already conflicted, turns to Monty and envisions a young Monty instead.
So he sees his actual young brother, huh?
Monty, on the other hand, agrees to continue the match despite a broken shoulder and blurred vision.
Wow. Monty bro, you should relax. I know you're trying to prove a point.
It's not worth it,
But
Monty.
Monty is like, I will fight you. Where are you?
The match continues.
Oh,
David
fuck.
overpowers Monty once again.
I mean, he can't see. And he has
Now,
one-
though, it's not fair also.
Okay. So just like overpowers him, Monty?
And then, while David keeps Monty pinned to the ground, he asks Monty to stop fighting. Monty in turn says that David has always thought of himself and he deserted Monty out of anger once Maria died and asked him to keep hitting him.
Wow. Monty, you were right all the way along except the last part, bro? Like, you're right, but why you want him to keep beating you?
I guess he wants to feel something.
Oh, wow.
David is overridden with guilt.
But he's punching him.
Yeah, and sorrow, and he's moved to tears. And he apologizes.
Okay.
Seeing this, Monty gives up and allows David to win the tournament. Monty reconciles with David, and the latter takes Monty away in his arms.
They're like, brother, please, brother, I'm sorry. I think we should have a conversation. And they take. Finally, they've decided to talk.
The end.
Hi, I'm Peter Briganza and I approve of this message. Right to fight was the only reason these brothers were able to get together and have a clear conversation. Only goes to show, fighting out your emotions is the only real way to connect between men, physically and emotionally. Okay, what movie was this? Right to fight?
Do you want to figure it? Do you want people to figure it out, or do you want?
I'm sure they have by this point. We have now made a tiny movie.
So surprise! This
Yeah.
movie is called Brothers.
I should have guessed that. I feel bad now.
And David
overthinked
was
it.
Akshay Kumar and Monty was Siddharth Malhotra.
Whoa, that's like a big cast.
Yeah,
Whoa.
and Gary was Jackie Shroff. I think he was my favorite.
And you know what? I make Jackie Shroff does look drunk and I kind of fucked up my.
He has that vibe in
Ray,
general.
मैं ज़्यादा पी लिया. Yeah, sorry boys.
And this was a Dharma film. And
Oh.
if you want to find out more about Dharma films and how Karan Johar makes his films, you should definitely
Check
watch
out
our
our
podcast.
And if you like content like this or you found this fun, let us know. We had great fun doing it. Also, I legit didn't know this was this. And wow, I legit did not know this film was the one we were acting out. I had zero idea. Okay, awesome. You like content like this or you want to see more of this? Please like, share, subscribe. And do let us know what we should do next.